Last year we confiscated drugs nearly 2.5 crores in all over Goa.
Still this year?
Yeah, this year we have crossed nearly, we are touching nearly 1 crore. Our ANC itself, and besides state police is confiscating on their own.
So it is due to the COVID, the amount has been come, you are saying 2 crore, how much you said?
Yeah, compared to last 5 years figure, the confiscated amount was less compared last year. It is basically, it is directly related with the influx of tourists and the foreigners. Yeah, I can definitely say that.
Total how many foreigners has registered on this year? Last this year?
Foreigners we have arrested 5 as on today.
Okay.
Last year we had arrested 18 foreigners, and prior to that in 2020 it was 34, and 2021 it was 60 foreigners. So there is quite a big number of foreigners who are involved in this drug trade.